everyone. Today I'm going to use the constructions tool to tell you how to draw an angle of 90 degree with the help of only a compass and a scale. Okay, let's start. First, take a scale and draw a line of, let's say, of 5 centimeter. Now take your compass, keeping the point on one of the sides, adjust the radius and then draw an arc. The radius shall be the same and draw another arc. And now let us keep the radius here and draw a full length arc. Now keep your point there, the radius shall be same, and draw another arc like this. Now you need a scale again. Connect your scale to the point with the 90 degree point of intersection and then draw a line from there to there. Let us check what have we got as the result. Wow, it's the angle of 90 degree. This is how you can make an angle of 90 degree with the help of only a compass and a scale. Thank you.